guys, this is part 2 of another slime.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go first, so let's get started. So first, we're gonna do 3 of each. So like we're gonna do 3 Instagram swirls, 3 bubbles, and 3 clicks. Ooh, I did a perfect triangle. See? Okay, so first is my Instagram swirl. Sorry, triangle. So you would do this, and I got this off of Just Jordan 33, All Around Audrey, Jake and Ty, and that YouTube family, and JC and Casey. So check those out.
And put it in the description down below.
Yes. So you take your slime and you do this until you get the lines.
Or you can just do it regular.
Okay, and then when you feel like it's ready, you do it. Mine's sticky, so. Okay, so comment down below if you can see this, some confetti of somewhat in it. Alright, so now comment down below
if you can see these stars.
Or glitter. And mine's stars. Alright, so now I'm going to do the click, so listen up.
You can do it with 2 fingers or 3 fingers.
Or 1.
Or all of them.
So comment down below if you can hear it. Now I'm gonna do it, and then I'm gonna do the crunch. That's what they call it. Alright, comment down below if you heard that. Alright, now I'm going to do 3 bubbles. So what you would do is you would roll it up, flatten it, it's like you're killing it. And you do that. So I'm going to do 3 of those. I did it a few times. So let's see if I could do it. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay, I got 2 more. Got 3 ways to do it. I'm doing it those 3. That didn't work, so let's try that one again. That didn't work. Try it one more time. Oh, that worked. Alright, so I'm going to bring my sister in for this one. Alright, come on, Carly. We're going to wait for her, okay? So I'm going to just cook it while we're waiting. Okay, so we're going to do this. And so, yeah. So she's going to grab one side and I'm going to grab a side. Alright, grab a side, sis.
Let me pick up my own slime first.
So, I'm going to just do this one by myself because my sister don't know how. Of course. So that was a really good one. That went everywhere. Sorry, guys. It fell. Okay. Alright, my sister's turn. Hurry. You only got 4 minutes. You got 46 seconds. Hurry. So first she's going to do the click.
Let's put it up closer.
2 seconds. Okay, now she's going to do the bubble.
Let me try and see if I can do the bubble.
Hurry. You're running out of time. You got 20 seconds. Alright,
well,
now
do the bubble.
Now she's gonna do the Instagram swirl. You got 2 seconds. Literally. And go.
Now I'm
so like and comment down below.